Hello and welcome back to the Chit Chat Show, which is organized by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swad Hindustan Ka. Today on our guest list is someone who started her career when most of the females think that it is over. So let's welcome Shweta Patil and get to know about her journey from being a beauty queen to an actor. So I'm going to invite her. I just hope that she's online. Hello Karthik, thanks for joining. And I can't see her online. I just hope that she joins us soon. Hello Jussie. Yes, she's there. So I'm sure that Shweta will be with us in some moments. And thanks everyone for joining joining this chat, and just stay tuned for some interesting chat. I'm just waiting for Shweta to accept my request, and she'll be here in some moment. Hello Sheetal ji, thanks for joining, and thanks for joining every day on our live show. Hi Shweta.
Hi there.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Thanks for joining us from London. I was just, it's so happy to be connected with you. Like, जिसे बोलते हैं ना, दो countries, but we are connected through Instagram, and that's one of the best things today.
Absolutely, especially in this lockdown.
Yeah, very true, very true. I was just introducing you as somebody who just started her career. When most of the females think कि यार ये तो खत्म हो गया है career, शादी हो गई है, खत्म हो गया है. तो it would be very interesting आपकी journey के बारे में जानने के लिए. We are very eager to know about your journey, how it started.
Um, First of all, Asha, you're looking really beautiful. I must say that I've seen you a couple of the kind of way you conduct the interview is really fantastic.
Thank you
Really.
so much for the compliment, and I would love to give that compliment to you also. It's not that कि आपने मुझे दिया, because you are also looking so beautiful.
No, I mean, what I feel is this is what today I was just thinking to come in front of the camera casually.
Yeah.
But मैंने सोचा लॉकडाउन में ज्यादा कहीं बाहर जाना हुआ नहीं. This
Exactly,
is the way
exactly.
you
Yeah.
you get a reason to dress up and get ready.
Very true, very true. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, basically, आशा जितने भी मेरे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हैं या जो मुझे जानते हैं,
Right.
मैं बहुत ही छोटे टाउन से बिलोंग करती हूँ.
Okay.
द नेम इज धुले. आई थिंक बहुत लोगों ने सुना भी नहीं होगा. इट्स
Okay.
नियर नांदेड़.
Okay.
नांदेड़ सिटी या
Yes.
शिरडी के
Yes.
आगे है.
Right. Right.
राइट.
Right.
सो आई कम फ्रॉम अ महाराष्ट्रियन फैमिली.
Okay.
मराठी. सो
Okay.
ऑब्वियसली अभी तो चीजें काफी हद तक फॉरवर्ड मैं बोलूंगी मॉडर्न हो चुकी है.
Okay. Right.
हमारे टाइम पे या आई वुड से इवन 10 years ago things were
Yeah.
not that easy.
That's
So
true.
चीजें
That's
बहुत डिफिकल्ट थी.
right.
कहीं पे इंटरेस्ट था लेकिन पाथ दिखाने वाला कोई नहीं था. You
I
can't even blame
yeah.
your family because you come from a family where सब लोग कैसे
Job
बोले कि
करते हैं.
स्ट्रगलिंग है और
Yeah.
ना किसी को
Yeah.
इस चीज में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट था.
Right.
सो डेफिनेटली मैंने आफ्टर मैरिज एक्चुअली मेरा करियर कभी से सोचा नहीं था कि मैं मॉडलिंग या एक्टिंग या ऐसा कुछ करूंगी. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आई वाज टॉम बॉयिश. आई वाज वेरी एट द सेम टाइम आई वाज वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट. देयर वाज अ टाइम आई वाज वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट.
Okay.
But as and when I don't know, I think this was my calling. Sometimes you don't choose the
Yeah.
profession chooses you.
Yeah.
And that's
That's
what
true.
happened with me.
Yeah. Yeah.
And by far, by the grace of God, 2017, there was the first time on my birthday,
Hmm.
I decided ki, you know what should I gift myself? I
Yeah.
always like to get clicked in like, like by the photographer or
Thankful to you.
somebody.
Yeah. Okay.
जब मैं किसी बहुत अच्छे फोटोग्राफर्स की देखती थी फोटोग्राफी, तो मुझे लगता था कि चलो दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन आई शुड गेट माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो अ नाइस फोटो शूट, एंड
Yeah.
देन आई स्टार्टेड लाइक कि चलो मैं अपने आप को एक गिफ्ट करती हूँ. सो
Right.
मैंने 2017 में अपना पहला फोटो शूट किया था. हु इज अ
Right.
वेरी रिनाउंड फोटोग्राफर,
Okay.
समीर बेलवलकर सर.
Okay.
And that came out really well. I got too many compliments ki, you know what, oh, is that you?
Yeah.
But again, unfortunately, I couldn't continue because I had to relocate to London.
Okay. Okay.
So with the family again, I started cooking kitchen same.
Right.
But
Right.
then 2018 again, I went for my vacation. Again, it was my birthday month.
Right.
And I don't know, Puna always calls me whenever my birthday falls in July, 27 July. So so मेरे friends ने बोला कि there's an event going on, why don't you just participate? I said, come on, I don't have any knowledge about it. What am I going to do there?
Right.
And facing crowd and like that. But somehow I enrolled myself, got selected, and I still remember it was Ranvijay Singh was the main guest over
Okay.
there.
Okay.
So to walk with him, I don't know. And luckily, he's such a kind of a person that
Yeah.
who will make you feel very comfortable.
Yeah. He's
It's
humble.
not like
Very
you're walking with
Yeah.
some celeb
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that gave me some confidence that okay. And then from there on, there was no looking back. Then 2019, I enrolled myself for Mrs. Maharashtra pageant,
Right.
where I got international,
Yeah.
Mrs. Maharashtra International Queen,
Yeah.
2019.
Okay.
Uh, my ma'am again, Diva pageant.
Right. Right.
She was like Anjana Mascarenas, who's the pageant head.
Yeah.
Under her training and stuff, she groomed me really well, and from there, there was no looking back.
Yeah.
After that, I
Hi,
got,
Gita Sunny. Yeah. Okay.
and after that, then I got selected for Mrs. World, which was supposed to happen this year,
Yeah.
but during lockdown
Yeah.
again.
I
So
can understand.
I hope post,
You know,
yeah, go ahead.
I in your whole story, the best part that I loved was that, when you said that, you wanted to gift yourself something on your birthday, which most of us don't even think about, because होता क्या है, हम लोग ये सोचते हैं कि मेरा बर्थडे किसी और को गिफ्ट देना चाहिए, बट आई ऑल्सो पर्सनली फील द सेम, एंड आई कैन रिलेट टू दैट, बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ यू शुड लिव योर लाइफ, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम अदर्स, आई थिंक आपको अपने बर्थडे पे कोई नहीं भी दे तो खुद गिफ्ट करना चाहिए, एंड सी वेयर योर गिफ्ट, जो आपका सेल्फ गिफ्ट था वो उसने आपको कहाँ पहुंचा दिया आज.
I know. I mean, I really thank myself and, of course, my people around me who were like literally there
Yeah.
in my bad times, good
Yeah.
times, everywhere, who
Yeah.
continuously gave me support that,
Yeah.
Shweta, go ahead and do it. It's never
Thank
too
you,
late.
Nida. Yeah, okay. So tell me, like, you told that, आपकी journey, you belong to a very small town, and when we look at the things जो 10 साल पहले या उससे पहले आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा that you will be a beauty queen, और the best part is that आपने ये journey खुद से start करी. How was the response from your parents? How was the response from your family? उसके बारे में बताइए.
Well, I would say, I would not deny that I was
Thank
at
you.
the college and high school,
Yeah.
and then that time,
Yeah.
parents are usually very protective when it comes to
Right.
girls. We cannot
Right.
completely blame them.
Right.
But then when I got selected, and there was like a kind of a respect I got. You won't believe it, in my messenger, because most of the time my accounts have been handled by
Yeah.
PR people and
Yeah.
all. I
Yeah.
don't personally, it's just when
Yeah.
I go live, I use my accounts.
Right.
So when I get to read such messages from ladies, especially कि आप जैसे छोटे टाउन से या महाराष्ट्रियन फैमिली से होने के बावजूद
Right.
आपको
Right.
हमें लगता है कि हम भी कुछ कर सकते हैं, then you
Right.
feel very responsible
Motivated
towards,
also.
yeah,
Yes. Yes.
that okay, you're setting up an example to the certain set of people, and which is
Right.
good.
Right.
I mean that when we represent any show or any culture, it becomes a responsibility. When I'm sitting in London and focus, I'm just saying that okay, मैं महाराष्ट्र को represent कर रही हूँ, India को कर रही हूँ, so it becomes double the responsibility.
Very
So
true.
my family was very happy that okay, finally she has done what she really wanted to.
Wanted to do. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
And how was the support from your husband? How was he, like, that also matters. कहीं ना कहीं females, they look up to all these support, they want this support from their family, from, if they are married, then from husband. तो वहां से कैसा support था?
It might sound very filmy, but obviously, see, in a family, there are a lot of times you have up and downs, you have
Yeah.
arguments, you have. He
Yeah.
was one person, okay, you've given 10 years of your life to
Yeah.
us.
Yeah.
Now it's time, if you're getting that respect and the happiness,
Yeah.
You go ahead. And if
Yeah.
he wouldn't support me or my family,
Yeah.
even if I have thousands of servants around or
Yeah.
anybody, that won't
Yeah.
matter because
Yeah.
at the end, he's my backbone.
Yeah.
In London, you don't get servants. So
Yeah.
there are times, 3 months I'm in India for my
Yeah.
shoots, for my projects, for
Yeah.
my, endorsements. And he's the one who look up after house and everything, cooking, cleaning, everything. So obviously, I think कहीं
Yeah.
ना कहीं एक कामयाब औरत के
Yeah.
पीछे
Yeah.
आदमी का
And it's
हाथ
vice
होता है. Now I
versa.
can say that.
Yeah, it's a vice versa. It's like a
Yeah,
mutual support from both ends. So
that's true.
that's very inspiring, and I'm sure जितने भी यहाँ पे live जो हैं वो सुन रहे होंगे, they will be definitely inspired from you and your family. And जहाँ आपने बात करी अपनी projects के बारे में, tell us like then जब आपने ये जीत लिया, फिर आपका project कौन सा, which was your first project?
Well, actually, देखा जाए तो because of the lockdown, this my pageant happened. I had to come back to
Yeah.
London.
Yeah.
Luckily, there's a brand called Tasta. I was
Okay.
associated with them in 2019 at the beginning because I
Okay.
happened to wear their attires and stuff. So
Okay.
they were doing a Asian wedding show in London in Feb,
Okay.
which we
Okay.
recently did, and we represented Indian traditional clothes. Like if you
Okay.
have heard of Nawari, 9 yard sari, and
Yes, yes,
Shivaji
yes,
Maharaj culture.
yes.
This is called as Chhava collection, and entire team like we showcase our
Yeah,
collection of India,
yeah,
and that was a
yeah.
pride, like kind of a moment for me. That was the biggest show that you're representing Indian culture in London,
Right.
and there are a lot of people, and we have been like
I
there was
have
a
seen
coverage
some
from.
of your amazing pics in that sari on your Insta. I have seen that. They are very beautiful.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. Please go ahead.
After that, I've done some virtual projects for obviously whatever lockdown happened. We lost some of our legends
Yeah.
recently with the
Yeah.
Crime
Yeah.
Patrol team.
Yeah.
There is a few people we are like, offline also they give me some knowledge about the industry because I'm just starting up there.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Yeah.
yes, so there are a couple of mentors in my life. I would say one is Amit Verma, who works for Crime Patrol. You might have seen him in many web series, and he's coming up with his new web series in Netflix.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Yeah.
and then I got selected just 2 days ago. I got a call from my another mentor who was my choreographer, Mr. Sachin Dabhade sir.
Yeah.
I'm gonna soon shooting for his video Hindi album song. I
Oh.
just got a call from
Yeah.
him day
Yeah.
before.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm more likely to shoot this song in the month of August in India or London. This is
Okay.
my first ever project, you can say officially, which will be with T Series.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
that's nice.
yeah,
That's nice. So,
yeah.
I just believe, आपका जो ये lockdown period है बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है. And, the best thing about this lockdown was that, you can spend more time with your family, which, as an artist, generally आपको time नहीं मिलता है. So tell me, like, इस lockdown period में आपने ऐसा क्या नया किया?
Well, 2019 was extremely busy for me. I was half the time in India and
Yeah.
London doing shows,
Yeah.
both the
Yeah.
countries,
Right.
cities rather. Then I cooked and cooked.
Okay, I think we all have become chefs, in this lockdown. और मैं
Very
जिनसे भी
true.
बात कर रही हूँ, you won't believe, like, the best part is that, females को तो कहीं ना कहीं ऐसी ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है बचपन से कि तुम थोड़ा खाना बनाना सीख लो, बट मेल ऑल्सो, लाइक, ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन पीरियड बहुत से ऐसे जो गेस्ट आए हमारे इसमें इंस्टाग्राम के चैट शो में, उन्होंने ये कन्फेस किया
Obviously,
दैट दे हैव बिकम गुड शेफ नाउ.
actually, because there's nothing to do, absolutely. You're not so much bound to be at home,
And
right? I mean,
and
what else to
and
do?
and the thing was that there were no maids, there were no maids at all. चाहे वो लंदन हो, इंडिया हो, कहीं कोई maids नहीं थी.
Nahin,
We
I
were
know.
all similar.
So
Yeah,
first month was really difficult to
yeah,
deal up with the situation that you're not used to sitting home, just idle, doing nothing.
yeah.
But then eventually got used to it, and then I started to enjoy. Now this is the reality. Start doing my online. I started my classes with few of my mentors, like online classes for the acting and few projects I'm working on.
Okay.
So hopefully I'm becoming a better person. I chose from the quantity to quality. I think I'm going to choose now quality give less but make it a more impact on people that people look up to you, not like just because I have done 10 projects so I become a supermodel or a super actor. I think
Yeah.
quality is very, very
Yeah.
important.
Yeah. So tell me, like, like you said before that कि you were a tomboy. आपने, बचपन से आप ऐसी थी. So I'm sure आपने बहुत सारी मस्तियां करी होंगी बचपन में. कुछ ना कुछ तोड़ा होगा, कुछ ना कुछ, जिसे बोलते हैं, जिसके कारण आपकी फैमिली से या स्कूल से कुछ ना कुछ तो आपको, जिसे बोलते हैं, डांट पड़ी होगी, या हो सकता है मार भी पड़ी हो. तो कोई ऐसे इंसिडेंट याद है आपको अपनी लाइफ से?
मार एज सच तो नहीं, बट मुझे कार ड्राइविंग का बहुत शौक था बहुत अर्ली एज में, एंड देन माय पेरेंट्स वर ऑलवेज प्रोटेक्टिव दैट
या
you're not supposed
या
to drive.
ड्राइव या
तो हम क्या करते थे कि पुराने जमाने में वो मेरे पास सैंट्रो था घर
या
वालों के पास,
या
एंड देन दैट वाज द फर्स्ट कार. आई
या
स्टिल रिमेम्बर वी शुड स्टे ऑन सेकंड फ्लोर, एंड मैं चाबी चुरा के मम्मी के पर्स से दो मेरी और फ्रेंड्स, हम गाड़ी को, रिवर्स हॉर्न भी लगे
या
होते थे
या
पहले
या
गाड़ियों में विथ
या
सम
या
फैंसी साउंड्स,
या
हम
या
धक्का मार के
राइट.
2-3 किलोमीटर तक उसको धक्का मार के फिर गाड़ी चला के लेके जाते थे.
2-3 किलोमीटर तक धक्का मारते थे आप? ओ वाह.
Literally, 2-3 girls were like that. They were so much like tomboyish like me. We were ready for any time kind of bullshitting
तो
around.
आप
So,
पकड़े गई, मतलब वर यू
मैं एक
कॉट?
बार पकड़ी गई हूँ और मैंने बहुत डांट खाई है. उसके बाद साल भर कोई गाड़ी नहीं.
बट आई होप कि आपने अपनी गाड़ी पे कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाएगा, तो यू वर सेफ,
नहीं, touch wood, I have
राइट?
not to others, not to car, no, nothing like that.
नथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके.
School times I used to hate maths and I still do hate
बट
maths.
हु टॉट
Like
यू, who taught you driving? Then who taught you driving?
myself. We had a driver and then he used to
Okay.
drive and I used to see. I
Okay.
still remember मेरी मम्मी ने 5 बार खुद के लिए ड्राइविंग क्लासेस लगाए होंगे.
Right.
बट
Right.
अगेन व्हाट आई से अगेन, उसमें भी एक लर्निंग मिलती है.
Right.
कोई भी चीज सीखो वो अच्छी बात है टेक्निकलिटी के लिए, बट
Right.
अगर आपको सच्ची में अंदर से उस चीज का अर्ज है, विलिंगनेस है,
That's
तो
true.
वो इंटरनली है. बीट एक्टिंग,
Yeah.
डांसिंग, बीट
Yeah.
एनीथिंग, वो आपको अगर इनहेरिटेंट है तो
Yeah.
आप में अगर उतना है पैशन तो आप कर पाओगे. यू डोंट
कर
नीड
एंड
एनीबॉडी टू टीच यू.
बिकॉज आप देखते हैं, लाइक, बहुत से ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो इंटरनेट से ही डांस सीख लेते हैं और इतना अच्छा सीखते हैं दैट यू कांट इवन टेल कि इन्होंने खुद से सीखा है. सो आई ट्रूली बिलीव दैट कि अगर आपके अंदर अर्ज है वो चीज सीखने की, तो नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू. यू नो
Definitely not. Again, I would say for the lot of ladies over here कि जो भी मुझे सुन रहे हो अभी, it's never too late to chase your dreams. Just be
या
out there, convince your family that I want to do. Try to make it a balance between your family and your work. So I think things become easy. I would say husbands भी तो out of station जाते ही है कई कबार अपने projects के लिए. अगर IT profession में तो you are always traveling. So you're mentally
या
prepared to be a single parent rather.
या या
So
या
that's one thing I think one should learn how to balance life. That is most important, I feel.
Yeah. So, you told us about your, आपने अपने बचपन के बारे में बताया, your future projects. So, जैसे कि आपने अभी तक की अपनी लाइफ को देखा है, so is there anything that you want to change, or is there anything that you feel कि यार ये मैं रिवर्स करती तो अच्छा होता? I think ये ब्यूटी पेजेंट का ही इस तरह से कुछ क्वेश्चन है, बट आई होप आपने इसके बारे में कभी सोचा होगा.
Um, Reverse, I'm a person who never regrets in
Okay.
my life.
Okay.
But I was a person in 2015 till 17 that I used to be easily given up. Kind
Okay.
of a personality, like नहीं मुझसे नहीं होगा, नहीं, I'm dependent upon someone.
Yeah. Yeah.
And you say every person's life there is a rough patch which
Right.
comes, and
Right.
you automatically becomes a person who
Who is
you're not. Your morale gets down because I
strong?
was working.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was working in IT also
Okay.
once upon a time, and
Okay.
I used to on and off keep falling sick and stuff like
Okay.
that. Then I was like, what's wrong with me? Maybe you
Yeah.
make sometimes wrong choice of people in your life as a
Right.
friend, as
Right.
you make wrong
Right.
decisions.
Right. Right.
But then too, you learn a lot. I would say I don't want to reverse that. I would say thank you for that particular 3 years who made me become what I am today. Yeah,
Today.
I want to say each person thank you in that zone also.
Yeah.
And today also those who are supporting me.
Yeah.
This is more important when you learn from your mistakes instead of you give up.
That's very true. And so when are you planning to come to India? Like I think after the international flight starts, and you want to be a little cautious also कि भाई travel would be safe or not.
Yeah, as I said, my new project would start the background work would start in July first week,
Yeah.
and before that, obviously, I'll have to conduct like some sort of what we can say trainings, how to
Yeah.
face which angle and what the song is going to go
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
Background work needs to be done maximum by August, and so I think I'll be there by August.
Yeah.
Uh,
So
uh,
it was amazing, chatting with you, your journey from a small town to London. Obviously, for the all the reasons that you become a person jo aap abhi ho, the stronger that you are right now. All the hardships actually make you the person that you become, in your life basically. And is there anything that you want to tell, like lockdown period mein, how difficult it was for all of us. So is there anything like you want to say, जो भी हमारी fraternity है, like media fraternity people, how people they are sitting at home and कहीं ना कहीं उनको एक sadness feel हो रहा है. तो आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इसके लिए?
Well, I will say I'm very well connected with the industry and media both these
Yeah.
days. Luckily, I'm
Yeah.
fortunate enough to come across positive people.
Yeah.
Whatever, as we all know, whatever is happening
Yeah.
around in the industry
Yeah.
also, so
Yeah.
much of negativity in
Yeah.
sense we lost
Yeah.
many good people this year, and
Yeah.
for that matter, Sushant Singh
Yeah.
Rajput is a big loss.
Yeah.
I don't know what the truth is. I don't want to even talk,
Yeah.
go
Yeah.
into that lane right now.
It's general we are asking. Yeah.
But I would just say that I know it's too difficult when you're optimistic and just sitting at home. Suddenly you get a big break. Of course, even I felt that eventually that, you know what, my career just started after so long, and
Yeah.
the struggle is real. I mean, there's no godfather behind me from the industry who would guide me, or
जी.
who would prefer me. Okay, of course, as we all believe in one thing, that if when you're a newcomer or you don't have any big name behind you
Mhm.
in the industry specifically, people take you for a ride. They would
Yeah.
just mislead you. They would just want you to go with the short ways.
Right. Right.
I mean, I was fortunate enough. Again, I would say I've got a few people named for in the industry, like they've been guiding me. There
Yeah.
are a couple of casting directors. Then we have Raza Murad sir, who
Mhm.
always told me like how the industry is. Navin Prabhakar sir, Amit Verma,
Yeah.
Rajneesh Khullar ji, Sachin Dabade sir, जिनका
Right.
मैं अभी song करने वाली हूँ.
Right.
So I guess I went in a like in right track. I would say right hands.
Yeah.
Otherwise, low panic hoke, I feel they are just taking just I think they feel okay, everything is done over here, and there's no future ahead. I would just say that be positive,
Be positive.
like this shall pass.
Yeah.
Before taking any big step, I would say think about your family, parents, your
Right.
well wishers, like
Right.
what they think about you.
Right. Right.
I
Right.
think it's very easy in life.
That's true. So basic, bottom line is that we should always be positive. कुछ भी हो जाए लाइफ में, हर जिसे बोलते हैं ना, हर एक अंधेरे के बाद उजाला तो आता ही है. So
Obviously.
yeah. So Shweta, thank you so much. आपके साथ connect होके, it was such energy giving chat that you gave all of us, and in fact all those people who were online, और जितने भी लोग ये online नहीं देख पाए हैं, they can watch us again this live thing on our Instagram handle, on my Instagram handle, and they can always watch it on our YouTube channel, Dream Chaser Media Production. तो अगर किसी ने miss भी कर दिया तो they can watch it there. They can get the positivity from there.
Sure. I mean, I really want to say thank you so much for, interacting with Emmy. I mean, I felt really nice. बहुत दिनों बाद, I felt like very positive. In
Yeah.
fact, thank you so much to the entire team of Dream Chaser Media Production. And I'm sure I'm able to give some positive vibes to other people as well in future. And I'll do my best.
Yes,
Definitely.
yes, Shweta, you definitely did. And I would just say that stay positive, stay healthy, and जब भी आप India आएंगे, just we will try to connect with you again.
Sure. Then we'll have lots of things to talk about my project. And
Yes,
be
yes,
positive, everyone. Stay home, stay
yes,
safe. and love the positivity around. That's all I will say. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.